skin looks like butter bomb fire. I don't care what I say.
What's up? What's good, y'all? If y'all want buttery smooth skin this spring, if y'all want to look luminous, you don't want to look caked up, this is the video for you. Today's video is in collaboration with the beautiful Michael B. Monroe. Please go over to her channel, check out her content. She does product reviews, skincare videos, makeup videos. She does lifestyle videos. Let her know that I sent you in the comment section down below. Drop a heart, tell her that Kiosha sent you. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this bomb spring luminous skin, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Send me some love. You know I love y'all, and I hope I see y'all in the next video. But the first step to fire spring skin, fire skin period, is skincare. So my skin has been cleaned already off camera, and I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena Hydra Boost water gel, and I'm gonna use that to moisturize my skin. Skin prep is the most important part of skin, because no matter how much foundation you put on, no matter what you do, if your skin is not prepped well, your makeup will not come out well, period. I have dry skin, so skin prep is a necessity for me. Well, I have normal to dry skin. If you have dry skin, your makeup will cling to dry patches if you don't moisturize. And even if you have oily skin, you still want to moisturize because your skin is oily because it is dry. Today I'm going to be using a Black Radiance True Complexion primer because of the fact that it's mattifying. Y'all might want to get you a mattifying primer so that your makeup won't be like get oily or start to slip. And I only use that in my nose area, my upper lip, because for some reason my upper lip be getting oily. I don't understand. My next primer that I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Do Me Luminex primer. I just put that on the high points of my face. It gives you like a nice subtle glow. You can use this on your natural skin too, like if you're going makeup free. So today I'm using my old friend, hello old friend, my AJ Crimson Artist Kit, and I am in the shade 6.5. This shade does run very red on me, but I'm used to it. I use it often. So with this foundation, the less you use, the better, because it is very oily. So if you have oily skin, this foundation will not really suit you that well. But one thing I can say about this foundation have your skin looking like butter. If you ever use the Black Opal foundations, you know that they are oily. The AJ Crimson foundation is like 3 times that oily. I'm not gonna lie. Child, I am orange, but I'm finna fix that. Look how buttery smooth my skin looks. This is what you want to look like in the spring. You want to pull up to the function with naturally luminous skin. You don't want to have to pile on highlighter, and then when you get up close,
It's like, ooh girl, what's that?
you want it, you know, you want your natural luminous skin to shine through. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. The Midnight Topaz powder in the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And then I just push that into my skin. Look at the difference. This topaz powder tones down the highlight, but just look. You see how that banana powder just brought that brightness back? Under baking ever so slightly. And now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna bronze my face up because I wanna look like a bronze goddess. I wanna look like I'm on vacation. I wanna look like I'm at the beach, like I just got a tan. And I'm gonna use Rimmel face powder in the shade Pecan. I'm going in with this pretty coral blush called Coral Cove by Milani Cosmetics. A tip for the springtime, my dark skinned girls, use a orange or a coral blush because it makes the skin pop and it's so pretty. Like, oh, okay. You know, now that we have rehydrated the skin, honey, look at that natural luminous skin, we about to go in with some highlights. And y'all know I use the Tkbtrading loose pigment and rose gold ever so lightly because I don't want to do too much. Next from Brûlée and fortune cookie butter glosses. Period. We about to gloss it up because y'all know I love good old gloss. I don't even fool with lipstick these days because I'm so into lip gloss. Like, it don't make no sense. If I could put on 30 lip gloss at a time, I would. I'm tripping. I didn't even put on my lashes. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so this is the final product. This is my spring slay, my buttery skin, you know, luminous spring look. If y'all like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. You know, tell me what you like, tell me what you did not like. Tell me what your spring makeup look consists of. Let a girl know some products that I could use. I hope to see y'all in the next video. Please don't forget to head on over to Michael B. Monroe's page. Check out some of her stuff on her channel. It's dope. Subscribe to her. Let her know that I sent you. As well as check out some of my videos on my page. 93% of y'all are not subscribed. And I know y'all are here because I see y'all watching. So I love y'all. I thank y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.